Hello everyone and welcome back to another Minecraft Packet Edition Minecraft video, and today we're gonna be doing some survival games on Lifeboat. So yeah, hope you enjoy, and I'm really bad at PvPing, so yeah, hope you enjoy failing, watching me fail. So I think I'm overrating 2 minutes. Okay, so um think we're gonna wait. Okay, so I'm gonna see you guys when this starts. Peace. Just got back. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, we're starting in 30 seconds. That's a bit of but it's good. Wait, I didn't. Oh, I forgot to post video. So finally, you wanna see? No, I'm on. Wait, what? Benim Sum Elim. Okay, we're starting in 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Go, 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 go. This is mine. 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 I got all of it. I mean, I didn't get the bucket, but I don't want the bucket. Bucket. Yeah. Oh, nuts. I hate this. I hate mini 7. Okay, there we go. Yep, just in there. Run. Okay. Oh, no. Dude, stop. Oh, shit. Ah, run. Run. I'm done. There's two of them. They're teaming. They're teaming. I'm done. Ooh, run. Shit. I hate when this happens. Sorry about this guy. TR Minecraft Gamer. Ah, fuck you! I'm done. Okay, that's it. One more game. I mean, two more game, and I'm done. I'm actually bad at this game. So yeah. Never. Never. And I'm gonna join here. Yeah, there we go. Um, um, yum, yum, yum. Oh, we're starting in 15 seconds. Nice. 3, 2, 1, go. Tournament has started. I'm gonna go here so I get all of it. Dude, that's lag. Okay, nice. That lag though. Let's run. Wait, I'm not gonna run. I'm gonna kill them. That bow won't work on me. This guy is AFK. Oh, never mind. Wow, what? Hmm. Okay, you wanna battle, huh? Whoa, the hacks! Is that a hack? No, it's a hack. Run, hack. Lol, 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 lol. We have a hacker. Lol, lol. We have a hacker. Reach hacks, reach hacks, reach hacks. We have a reach hacks. We have a reach hacks. I need to run or I'm gonna die. Oh, frick, this is so bad. Oh, box, 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 box. Run. Oh, oh, frick. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. Run, run, run. Uh, run, please. Look, Dad. I mean, what, Dad? Yes, I killed him. I killed him. Whoa, that was intense. Half a heart. Yo, half a heart, dude. Half a heart. Man, that was good. Okay. Oops. Need to go there. 5 minutes before that much, okay? And I need to go to the center. Oh, there's people. There's a guy in there. Yeah, it's a guy. And he has none. Okay. I'm gonna go around. Wait, what? Does this guy have hooks? Yes. But they're not gonna get. I'm not gonna get away with this. Wait, God, dude. Oh, shit. I'm done. Where is he? Wait, what? He's a freaking troller. Look at him going. Freaking troller. Come on, come here. You want to battle? There. Want to battle? Come and get it. Oh, you don't trust me. Huh? There. Will you trust me now? Oh. Okay, bad job. I'm gonna kill you. No, not you, not you. I'm gonna kill you. I just need the bow. Dude, that freaking troll. Come here, you're the only one. Frick! Dude, this guy's a freaking troller. Can't even hit him. Oh, I just lit myself on fire. Oh, I did not. Wow. Okay, I'm really done. Come here. Oh, frick, I'm done. I'm done, guys. I'm done. Wait, what? Wait, come on. Hey, guys, so. Oh, wait. I won. Yeah, my first win with a troller. So, I think I'm gonna end the video, guys. I'm gonna see you all in the next video. Stay awesome, guys, and stay blessed. Peace.